Hey everyone, if you watched last Saturday's video, I featured this cute little album that I made using scraps. And this is a punch. It's a hexagon punch I did purchase from Amazon. And I tell you what, this is a great use of scraps for sure if you're going to make a little mini album like this. So what I did is I did go ahead and attach keychain hardware, and I bought this from Amazon in all these different colors. So I'll link it if you're interested in that. But these keychains are so cute, and I thought this was a perfect for a keychain mini album. And that's what I did. It could be a mini notebook or a mini notebook or a mini album. I put 20 pages in it, and this is scrapbook paper, so you can put probably put 2x2 pictures. Let me check real quick on that. Not quite 2x2, probably a 1.5 by 1.5 inch picture you could put on there, and that would be super, super cute. But anyway, I made another one. I had a bunch of that Frank Garcia paper left over, and here's the back of that one. I don't know if I showed you the back of this one. Yeah, I just did this paper. I mean, I just used total scraps. But look how cute these would be hanging up at your craft fair or in your little shop or on Etsy. How cute would these be? And add a little charm to it of some sort. I didn't, I just didn't feel like doing that. I didn't, just wasn't feeling it. Not feeling exactly right. But anyway, I did mess up the back cover. I wanted this on the back, but that's okay. But I did not use chipboard. I used 110-pound paper. I had a ton of scraps left over. And what I did is I sandwiched 2 pieces of the 110-pound paper together, glued it together, and then added the 2 pieces of paper to this. And it's pretty darn sturdy. The only thing you have to do is make sure that you get everything right. And I didn't exactly, but she's still cute, isn't she? But anyway, I wanted to show you some of the supplies I used. Of course, I used that hexagon punch. And then I used these. I can't remember. What are they called? They're just keychain. And I got the multi-colored because I figured I would use those. But they're super simple to use. And then I'm trying to think what else. In all my scraps, and of course 110-pound paper from Coils is what I used for, and I just had scraps of it left over, guys, and I didn't care what color it was. I put it together. Some of it was two different colors, and I still put it together. And so what I did, because I just sat there and I felt okay, and I started punching out sets of these ready to go, so when I am feeling better I can make more. But look how cute. I mean, I just have tons of them, and I have these sets ready to go. If I'm just sitting there and I feel okay, I'm not spinning, then I can grab one of these or a couple of these and make them. But look how cute. All scraps, guys. And I knocked out a bunch of scraps doing that. But anyway, that's it for today. Short and sweet as usual. Still just doing project shares for right now. But we'll get there. We'll get there, guys. We will. All right. Have a great day. And I'll see you on Saturday.